In this particular video, I will tell you about the IIM Bangalore test pattern for the undergraduate program. Now, we have the undergraduate program. It is a 4-year course after the 12th standard. And the exam is going to be held on 13 December. So this will be the test pattern for the same. So two courses are BSc Honors in Economics and BSc Honors in Data Science. Okay. Economics is with a minor in data science and data science is a minor in economics. But both focuses on business studies. So right now the intake is 40 seats each. So saying the first 2 years the intake of a student will be 40 each for each of the courses. And the exam is held on 13 December. So entrance exam is based on NCERT syllabus, 10th, 11th and 12th grade syllabus. So 120 minutes or 2 hours paper, the computer based test. Okay, at 60 questions. 60 questions are divided into 15 questions of English, 30 questions of mathematics and 15 questions of logic. That is negative mark, 1/3 mark directed for incorrect. So this is the pattern that you set. Because it's in English comprehension, that means most of the part of English comprehension will be reading comprehension, most likely. There will be others like a little bit questions, grammar, vocabulary, fill in the blanks. Yes, comprehension should be a part of this particular thing. That will be parasymmetry, etc. So here it will be both mix of content, data interpretation. Since I mentioned DI separately, so there will be DI questions and logical reasoning. Questions are expected not be very simple because they're given 2 minutes per question. So 60 questions, 120 minutes, and then normally two types of paper pattern. One is a speed-based test where you go fast. Normally the time for that is 1 minute per question. But now fact that they're given 2 minutes per question, that means it's not going to be a speed-based test. That is speed-based test, but the questions are easy if you expect it to go fast. So the questions are expected to be a little difficult or time consuming. Right, so that means you will have to look at it. It's like CAT. CAT has 120 minutes and approximately 66 questions. Around 64, 68 last year. So around that. So this will be on. I'm not saying it will be as difficult as CAT. It will be easier, but it will not be easy paper or a speed-based test. Right. So this helps. Yes, we've been training students for more than 23 years. We've trained students for IPMAT, BBA, CET, NPAT, CSI for the undergraduate level. If you're interested, you can contact us. If you're writing the exam, do subscribe to the channel. We'll have videos that will help you with regards to preparation. Thank you.